Okay, so today we are looking at properties of a rectangle, or rectangles. So we know that they have the same properties as a parallelogram, which we did forever ago, last time we learned parallelograms. So opposite sides are congruent, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are congruent, consecutive angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other. And then we also know that all four angles are right angles. And diagonals are congruent. Diagonals. Okay? So, since we know these angles are right angles, and we've got these beautiful diagonals that make triangles, what do you think we're going to use here to find some of these missing sides?
I don't want to say it.
I know you don't want to, but...
The A.
The A thingy, Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so like to find SQ, right? We know the two sides of this right triangle. We need to find the hypotenuse. So how do we do that to find the hypotenuse?
10 squared plus 24 squared equals length.
Good.
Squared.
Okay, so 10 squared is 100. What's 24 squared?
Xander, answer it.
576. And 676, or the square root of 676 is what? 26. So we know that SQ is 26. Okay, we did the hardest one. It's done. Okay, what is the measure of QR? 10. And SR? And PR? And QT?
13.
Good.
Sweet.
Okay.
Okay, I think I have to.
Oh, okay. We're done with one. You can do your homework now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Is
cool.
this really good?
It probably goes a little bit farther.
We should just go to the next one.
No. Okay, so we know that AE is 15, so what is AC?
30.
Yes, and so BD,
30.
BE,
30.
AB, and we need to find BC. So what are we going to do?
30 squared.
Good. What's 30 squared?
I was thinking 900.
You were thinking correct.
Oh, really?
I think. Okay. 27 squared?
Yeah. There's like 8 boards or something.
729. What do you get when you subtract them? Okay, and the square root of that?
I got 13.
Okay, good job. So we're going to go 13.1. Okay, now we're going to deal with some angles. Okay, we know that all four of these corners equal what?
90.
90. So we need, or it says MJ, or MJK, what is that going to be? 90. MJL, so we're finding this guy. How do I do that?
90 minus 27.
And what do you get? 63. Okay. And JLK, 63. Okay. And KML. Hold on. Oh yeah, it is 27. Just kidding. Sorry. It looks way too big to be 68. 27. And MNL. How am I gonna find this one?
For twin side both sides, and left subtracted by.
Yeah. What do you get?
Is it 138?
No, the answer is not 138.
Oh wait. 11.7.
Nope.
128.
You're typing something wrong or
yeah,
something.
I see it. 126.
There you go. Okay, what is XWY? How do I find that?
Can you do 180 minus 64 divided by 2?
You can.
Okay, so they do that. Oh gosh, try.
58. Hey, we need to figure out what this guy is. So if this is 58 and this is 58, how do I find that one?
No, you're not you.
What do you get?
32. Okay, you said.
Okay. WVZ. So we need this guy. So if this is 32 and this is 32, I need to find the big angle in that triangle. Okay. And XWZ. What's that guy?
Oh, that's 90.
That's 90. And XZY. So this one. 58. Okay. Down here it tells me that DB is 42. AD is 26. So let's do our sides first, and then we'll go label our angles. There's just too much going on there. So what's the measure of AC?
42.
42. Of EB?
21.
What's BC?
26.
And how do I find AB?
30.
Okay, which way?
42 squared minus 66 squared equals
What's 42 squared?
1764.
1764. What's 26 squared?
666.
What was this one? So 676. Oh wait, I guess maybe that's, just kidding, you're good. Okay, so what do you get when you subtract those?
1088.
1088. And the square root of 1088?
32.9.
So we're going to go with 33. Okay? Now, they also tell us about some angles here, or an angle here. So we know that DAE is 52. Okay, what is ADC?
9.
What is ABD?
38.
Good. What is BCA?
52.
And DEC? Gotta know these are 38. So I need to find this guy.
4.
What? 104?
Yeah.
Good job. Flip it over. Algebra. We're just going to do the evens. So, on number 6, what do I do? Okay, but what am I putting in insol?
3x plus 5 equals 7x minus 30.
Good. You're setting them equal. So 3x plus 5 equals 7x minus 39. When you put that in insol, what do you get for x? 11. Did it ask me for x?
No.
No. What did it ask me for? Good. In this case, you could plug it into either one and you should get the same answer, but it's always good practice to plug it into the one it asked for. What do you get?
38.
38. So EF equals 38. Okay, on number 8, JM is x plus 17. MK is 5x minus 23. What do I do?
Equal to 20.
Set them equal. I mean, same thing. That's what you said. What do you get? 10. Then it asks for what? JL. So how do I find JL?
Plug it in for x on plus 18 and then times by 2.
Good. So 10 plus 17 is what? What? 10 plus 17? Anyone? 27 times 2.
54.
So JL equals 54. Okay, number 10. What do I do? Set them equal. Okay, what do you get for x? And then it asks me for BCE.
71.
So we're ultimately trying to find here. So what do we need to do first?
Plug it in.
Okay, so plug it in. And you get,
19.
okay, and then you did what to get 71?
Subtracted by 90.
So 90 minus 19 gives you 71. So the measure of angle BCE is equal to 71 degrees. Okay, number 12. What am I going to do here?
So that'll make 190.
To 90. Okay, so add them together. 5x plus x. Someone? 5x plus x. 6x. And 20 minus 8. 12 equals 90. What do you get for x? 13. Oh, I don't really need degrees yet. We want to find xzw. So which one of these is equal to xzw? The 5x minus 8. So 5 times 13 minus 8 gives me,
57.
so the measure of angle xzw equal, you said 57?
Yes.
57 degrees.